Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a landing page on your Weebly website. So let's get right into it. Now, your landing page pretty much serves as a page which your visitors are going to see, and it usually says something like this site is under maintenance, or this site is still in development, or this website is coming soon, and it's pretty much the only page that your visitors will be able to access before you fully publish everything. Now, the way that you create a landing page, you can easily just go into pages, and as you can see, we have this home page right here, which is by default for this theme. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus, and as you can see, you can add other sort of pages. So for example, let me add a standard page. You can set up the visibility, and you can just set up members or groups, site password, whatever you want. You can change the visibility of other pages as well. You can also hide pages in navigation, which we will be doing. You can set up SEO and things like that, but I'm just going to name it landing page. And now that we have it, it's going to go way to the bottom. But the way that we make this our homepage, we just put it all the way at the top. And now this is our homepage. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide all the rest in navigation, simply to hide it from the menu. And this is what you want to do so that your visitors won't be able to access some parts of your site that you don't want them to access. And once we do that, we're gonna see what it looks like. And okay, product pages are not able to be deleted or hidden, so let me just do that. And then if we go to our menu, as you can see, I have the product page and the landing page. I'm just going to delete the product page just to make it, hidden, and I don't need it at all. So let's say just like that. Then we're going to go to build. I'm going to add a title. I'm going to go over into theme, change the font size for the title, and I'm going to size it as, I don't know, 74. There we go. This site is let's say coming soon. And now once we save this, you can publish this, and this is basically what your landing page is supposed to look like. And that's pretty much all there is. Now you have your landing page, which is the only accessible page to your visitors. If we go back into the menu, as you can see, that's the only one. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.